Hey, Malaya here at IT Supplies. A pre-treater is an essential part of an efficient DTG workflow. So today I'm here in our Chicagoland demo center with our Lawson AE Zoom. In this video, I'm going to review some of the top features of this unit, an overview on how to use it, and we will wrap up with some general maintenance recommendations for your unit. Okay, here we are. The first thing we are going to do is go over the control panel. Here we have our power switch. Turn on once you are ready to use it and turn it off after you've completed your daily cleaning. Moving on to our prime button, this button is used to do two things. The first thing is to prime the lines with pre-treat to prepare for daily use. Then at the end of the day, you will run distilled water or Lawson Magic Clean solution through the lines as part of your daily maintenance routine. Next, we have the speed control dial. As you can see, there are numbers 0 through 10 on the dial that you can choose from. The thing to remember is the higher the number, the faster the machine sprays, and the less the amount of pre-treat is being laid down. So the lower the number, the more pre-treat is being laid down. Here at IT Supplies, we utilize Epson DTG printers. Epson recommends using 30 to 35 grams of pre-treat per average weight garment. This is equivalent to dial numbers 6 and 7, so we place our dial hand between those two numbers. Always test to find your best operating procedures for your particular situation. Heavier garments require more pre-treat solution, and lighter garments require less. Likewise, dark colors require more pre-treat than white and light colors. The weight of the garment itself and its construction is perhaps the most important variable to consider. So, based on the size of the garment, we're going to use and recommend 1.5 to 1.7 grams per inch based on the width of 16 inches, the size of the platen in the pre-treater. Here is the digital spray speed display. This feature gives you the opportunity to know how fast the pre-treater is laying down spray. Now moving on to the side of the machine. You will see the adjustable spray area length. Here you can choose between 0 to 20 inches to lay your pre-treat exactly where and how long you want it to be. Why might this feature be important? Well, no one likes to waste money, right? Let's just say you only need to print on the upper chest for a logo, or you only are doing a font across the chest. You don't need to spray the entire shirt. Here you can store up to 2 1-gallon jugs of pre-treat. We store 1 gallon of diluted pre-treat and 1 gallon of distilled water for flushing the lines. There is an on and off switch for both of them. We flip between the two depending on what task we're performing at that given time. We now have all of our other settings dialed in. We're ready to press our start button. Pretend that we have done all of our printing for today, and now it's time for our daily maintenance. The first thing we're going to do is flush out the lines of any remaining pre-treat liquid using our prime button and a cup to catch the spray coming out of the nozzle tip. Next, we want to remove the nozzle from the machine and place it in a container filled with distilled water or Lawson Magic Clean if your nozzle tip needs a stronger clean. Lastly, before placing the nozzle back into the pre-treat for the next use, make sure to brush the inside and outside of the nozzle tip with a soft bristle toothbrush to ensure your spray pattern stays consistent. If your nozzle tip does get clogged, do not panic. We offer replaceable nozzle tips and recommend purchasing an additional tip when purchasing your unit. We hope this video has been helpful and informative. Don't forget, the product links are in the description for more information. Please like, comment, and subscribe to get the most up-to-date videos. See you next time.